At the center of this microcontroller unit is the clock source, that is the RCC. Now, when we go here, you can see GPIO, general purpose input and output. Inside the GPIO, we have specific ports. They are all pins that you can use for different purposes. You can see some lines that are connecting peripherals to this central clock. We call them bus. In a glimpse, this memory map presents the address of all the peripherals and the components inside a microcontroller unit. Now, as I presented in the first page, right here, every peripheral inside the microcontroller has specific address, right? The flash memory occupies this address. You can see main flash memory, system memory, and RAM. There is a part of the memory that is painted gray. It is reserved. You can't use that part. So we have flash memory, this part reserved. Here we have system memory. When you look at the left, RAM peripherals, okay, all the UART, all the SPI, all the I2C, all the timers, they are part of the peripheral, a specific bus, and the bus connects to the RCC. This point is where the AHB bus is connected to the APB bus. Right? For now, don't worry about the name of the acronym. Just know that AHB, APB, they are buses. So they are channels through which the peripherals are connected to a clock source. Every peripheral requires the clock source to run accordingly. Block diagram. This is the inside of the Atmega 2560 microcontroller unit, mostly called the Arduino Atmega. Alright, so at the center is CPU. Now right here we have flash, we have RAM here, different types of RAM. Let us check on the registers and see the registers are laid out here. So register 0 up to 31. Each register has a definite purpose. Open the reference manual again. Look at all the registers here. Literally, they are telling you what they do, which means that if you want to communicate with a particular GPIO peripheral and you want to read the input from that peripheral, then clearly you are going to deal with the input data register, the first register of the GPIO peripheral. The X just means that the peripheral has multiple instances.